All right, now to make the coleslaw, we're going to use a 12-ounce package of coleslaw mix that you can get at the grocery store. And this doesn't have any liquid in it. This is just the mix of cabbage. And it's great to buy it this way because you get the all of the different kinds of cabbage and carrots in it, and you don't have to use up a whole head of cabbage. You know, you rarely use up a whole head of cabbage, right? So you can just get this and you have what you need. Now, however, I think that when it comes in the package, the pieces are too big and they are too coarse. So I just like to chop them up a bit so we have smaller pieces for the coleslaw. Now some people like their coleslaw to be kind of minced. I don't like that. So I'm going for something that's you know, kind of a coarse slaw, and you know, all the pieces are, you know, roughly about, you know, this size. Okay, now what we're going to do is put them into a bowl. Okay, then we're going to add our onion and our sugar, milk, buttermilk, white vinegar, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and mayonnaise. Right, then we're going to add some kosher salt lightly. You can always adjust it later and add more. And some freshly ground black pepper. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, let's taste it. Good. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt and mix that up. Okay, let's taste it again. Good. Perfect. Okay, that is regular coleslaw. Okay, now we're going to make a variation on regular coleslaw called Dijon Coleslaw, which is basically my coleslaw recipe to which I add a Dijon mustard. Now, I'm having a little bit of technical difficulty here, so there might be a little bit of jumpiness in the video, but I think I've got it. So here we go. I've added the Dijon, and now we're just going to taste it. Good. Coleslaw with a little bit of the Dijon flavor coming through. You can see photos of a dish using the coleslaw at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.